Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to turn on or off guidance for merging points. Let's begin. At the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Vitara. Then let's find and select the settings icon. From the settings, let's choose here the second tab, which is the navigation settings. Then you need to scroll down a few times until you see guidance for merge points. As you can see, you can enable or disable this feature just by using this toggle, and this feature uses the map's metadata to identify areas where two or more traffic lines converge into one, for example, highway on ramps or line endings. So, when you are approaching a merge, this system provides a visual icon or audio prompt. This serves a pre-warning to check your mirrors and blind spots early, which is especially helpful in heavy traffic or at night when line markings were poorly visible. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.